Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vanshika and in today's video I will be showing you Dussehra vlog and a very happy Dussehra from my side to you and your family. And today we are celebrating Dussehra, which is like a festival when Ravan was burnt or killed, and it is like a good over evil kind of a festival. We celebrate the victory and also all the good things, and this festive season starts from Navratri Dussehra and goes on till Diwali. So today we will do some little puja like we do on Raksha Bandhan, and then follow up with some celebration, might go for a dinner or something. I'll take you guys along. So this is what I'm wearing currently. These jhumkas are from Roshni. I am using all her jewelry, and these kurtis set with plazo. So I'll show you the full outfit, and also I'll change into another outfit after this because I have a new piece to show you guys. It's really beautiful and something very new. I usually wear these kind of suits, but that is more of a cape style, so I'm looking forward to wearing that and show you. So let's go, and I'll take you guys along the whole day. I hope you guys enjoy such vlogs. Then do comment and share and like. From the brand Jansia something, and I got this one from the Bulbul shop. This is like a cape style, so you have to tie from here and you have to tie from here. It is like a cape style kurta, anarkali type, but isn't the flare near, but the color and the print is so pretty. It's very elegant. I'll just wear and show you guys how it looks. Looks on me. I have already created a look wearing this on my Instagram with some glam makeup of festival makeup, and I'll also put down the tutorial of the same. And this is how it looks. I bought this from the Bulbul shop, and Bulbul shop this type of very ethnic and classy clothes are available at very cheap rates as compared to different websites. And you can use the Mera link displayed on the screen and also in the description box below to buy all of these beautiful festive outfits. And the delivery is so quick. There is a 5-day exchange and return policy. You also get cash and delivery option and a lot of other features which are really great on this website. You can also buy clothes, home decor, then kitchen stuff over there, and also they have WhatsApp buddy for easy shopping experience. So you can definitely check out and see the Mera link. इसकी fit इतनी classy है, and the neckline I absolutely love. The material is very soft. So guys, it's the next day of Dussehra and today is my mom's birthday, so we are celebrating that. I thought I'll include in this vlog only because on Dussehra we didn't do much of things, and today we have come to this very nice place named Panchgaon. It is like a Sukhdev Murthal type ka dhaba type, but very fancy, and the food was really amazing. It's very affordable, and if you want to visit with family then it's a great place because you can have your food. There is kids play zone area and everything is really nice, but it's a little far. It's in Manesar. So in the morning what we did is we did a little decoration for her in the living room and got her a fresh fruit cake from Om Sweets, which was really nice and tasty. Pehli bari we ate the whole cake and it was not wasted. And abhi we just had a lunch here. We ordered some North Indian food as usual. If we are traveling with family, we usually order the same kind of food, but it was very fulfilling and I'm so full. And right now we are just having a little, kids are having their playtime and then we'll go home. So yeah, this was it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also before the day of Dussehra we went for the Dania night. It was in Guda city center. It was really great. So every year Navratri at the end of the 2 days you can go for Dandiya night. It's amazing. And that is it. I thought I'll vlog this little long weekend for you all, and this is it. Bye.